Hi beavers, hi monkeys, how are you? We missed you very much. I hope you're safe and healthy, washing your hands. So today we're going to be reviewing the diagraph. S, H. We're going to be reading a story called Shaun the Shrew. A shrew is like a mole. Remember when we did our Christmas show about the story, the storm is coming, and the mole was creaking, and then it scared everybody? A shrew is like a mole. Shaun the Shrew has a fish. Shaun the Shrew has a ship. Lucky shrew. Shaun the Shrew has a bush. Shaun the Shrew has a rash. Poor shrew, he's sick. Shaun the Shrew has a shirt. Shaun the Shrew has a shell. You think it has a crab inside? So this is the words we took in the decodable: fish, ship, bush, rash, shirt, and shell. Now it's your turn, beavers and monkeys, to tell me what Shaun the Shrew will have, starting with words sh or ending with sh. Get your paper, get your pencils, get your colors. Nice pictures, colorful, with nice words, the best that you can. And when we meet in Zoom, I want to see them. Stay safe.